Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got another unbagging for you. But before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to all of my subscribers, and also thank you to all the new subscribers. I have finally hit 500 for now, unless the numbers start yo-yoing like they normally do. But I just wanted to tell everyone at the beginning of this video to please go check out my description box, because I am doing a random act of kindness every month. You're not going to know who you are until you get something in the mail, but I need you to go to the description box, send me an email with all the information that I'm asking for in the description box. Alright, so my lighting may be off a little bit. That I apologize for, and you might hear Booger and Buster in the background because they are under my desk right now playing. So, alright, this comes from One Day Savings, and Ermine, I hope I'm pronouncing her name. It's either Ermine or I don't know if it's, I guess it's Ermine. Anyway, I am sorry if I said your name wrong. But anyway, she contacted me again wanting to know if I wanted to do another unboxing and show y'all some more products. And I said, of course, because I love One Day Savings. Also, she has given me a 5% off discount code, which I will leave in my description box, and I will also put it right across here. But you have to put it in at checkout exactly the way you see it. It is very case sensitive. So, I'm also going to put in my description box, they have got a under $4 section. They have also got a preferred kids section and their website, and of course the links to all these products also. So, what do I have? I am going to pull this one out first. And as you can see, it is in a box. And this is called a DIY diamond painting tool point drill pen holder makeup brush rack. Of course, I'm not using it for any makeup brushes, but I am going to use this for my pens. Like I said, y'all are probably going to hear my dogs, and I apologize if it bothers you. But let me grab a couple of my pens, and let's see how they fit in here. And they fit really nice, actually. I've got a couple of these that I bought off of Amazon that I gave way more for. But I needed some more. Well, let me see. I'm trying to find one that's kind of, well, but as you can see, they fit in there pretty good. They're not falling out. Even this skinny cutter thing's not falling out. And I stick my tweezers in those small sections. So, yeah. But you can put anything you want in these. You can put your scissors, your, I guess your makeup brushes if you have them and want to. You know, tweezers, scissors, your ceramic cutters, yeah, just really whatever you want to put in that to hold it. But this was $8.93 on One Day Savings. And this is rubber up here, so it's not going to scratch your pins. And then this is just a hard plastic. It's pretty hefty, so it's not going to, you know, tip over. And yeah, I mean, I like it. And I'm pretty sure that, let's see. Well, I don't know. But, well, it comes in, I don't know if it come in any colors on their website, because this was the only one that I seen was a black one. So, alright, this, like I said, is they call it that long name. But anyway, it's a pen holder. And it was $8.93. So I'm going to set that right there. And I'm going to bring y'all down some. Alright, so the next item I got was one of these cutter pens. But this is called a DIY carving knife. Now this does come in 5 different colors. And it comes with your extra blades. And it tells you how to put them in your pen. So that's pretty neat. But I got this because A, I don't have one, but also because I have a ceramic knife, but I think that it's getting a little dull, if they can get dull. And this comes with, y'all gotta be careful with these because these are sharp. It says 12. You get 12 blades, spare blades. It says for precision cutting and trimming for paper, plastic, cloth, thin metal, film, and leather. So, let's see. So, it says, oh, okay, I got it. So, I guess you just stick this down in there. Alright, maybe I don't got it. Maybe you don't take that. Yeah, you do. Whoop. Well, I'm going to end up tearing this thing up before I even get started on it. Alright, hold on. So do not take this all the way out. Although if you do, it goes right back on. No problem. So we're going to stick that back in there. Alright. So you just want to do it enough to loosen it up. Alright. So, let me see. Am I doing, I'm not doing, there we go. There we go. Alright. Now we put that in there. Okay, now we got it. We got it. Alright, and then you've got a lid. So there we go. So, yeah, it tells you how to do this. So anyway, I needed another one of these. Or I needed one of these because I don't have one like this. But, because, yeah, I think my ceramic cutter is getting a little dull. So this, on One Day Savings website, is $1.59. And that's not bad. So we're going to set that there. Alright. And then, whoo, almost dropped that. Then we have, if I can get it out of the plastic. Alright. So then we have a pen. And this is a blue one. And y'all, I don't know if this one is a luminous or not. But this is a DIY point drill pen. It does come in several colors, and I got the blue. And these are $5.58 on One Day Savings. And can y'all see? It's got little stars and hearts and just all kinds of little shapes in there. But I'm not sure if this is one of the ones that glows in the dark or not. But it does come with a placer, and it looks like it's probably a 7-placer. So this was, like I said, $5.58, and it comes in different colors, and I got the blue. So we're going to lay that right there. And the last thing that I got is a canvas. If I can get this one open. If I can find the opening. There we go. So this video is just a wreck. Alright. So it is poured glue. It's special shapes. Let me move all this out of the way. Alright, so it comes with your standard toolkit, which is your green boat, your pink wax, a pair of plastic tweezers, and a pink pen. And then we have the special drills. And I'm just rolling this canvas back a little bit. Alright, so what did I get? I got this canvas because I thought it was pretty. And it's a 30 by 40. And as you can see, it says, give it to God and go to sleep. And that's something that I have to continuously remind myself of on a daily basis, pretty much. Because I feel like I need to do this and I need to do that. And I need to help this and help that. And you just get so many things going on in your mind. And I just got to keep reminding myself, just give it to God and just go to sleep, girl. I can't fix everything. So, alright, so let's look at these. Oh my, these are gorgeous. Alright, so we have got clear. We have got green, a light green. Or, well, actually, it's not even a green. It's kind of like a aqua. And then we've got another blue. Then we have purple. And like a bluish purple. And then we have a green. And then we have these gorgeous black. Oh my goodness. They're so pretty. And then we have all these different shapes and sizes of these iridescent ones. It's like big, medium, small, and tiny. But aren't those gorgeous? Those are so pretty. I hope y'all can see them. My lighting might not be real good. So, let's see. Now, like I said, it's a partial, so it's very sticky where it should be. So, yeah, I love this. And there's 11 special shapes. And they have their, I don't know, well, yeah, it says DMC numbers. I wish they all did that. That way we can put these special shapes, because I have still not found anything, any code or anything for, you know how you get the your DMC numbers for the ABs and the crystals. I still have not found anything for the shapes. I wish I could. But there's the thumbnail, if you can see it. But this is just so pretty, and I thought it was so pretty. So this was $4.97, and it is called a special shape flower letter. So that's what this is called. But I just thought it was really, really pretty, and I love the saying. So, like I said, I have got a code that you can see in the description box, but I just want to thank Ermine for sending these to me to show to y'all, and I hope you enjoy the video. And please go check One Day Savings out because they are very budget friendly. They have got lots to choose from, and like I said, they have got the under $4, they've got preferred, and right now they do have a section to where they have certain canvases for 20% off. So they do have some that's on sale. And if you spend $50 or more, you get free shipping and 2 free gifts that you can choose from. And they give you a section, and you just go and you look and you choose your free gift. But yeah, so tell me what y'all think. And like I said, the pen was $5.58. The pen holder was $8.93. The cutting tool is $1.59. The canvas was $4.97. So not bad, y'all. Not bad at all. So, all right. Everything will be in my description box. And I hope you enjoyed this. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.